from this cycle of suffering. In Buddhism, there is an understanding that so long as you are subject to the process of rebirth, that all the other sufferings are in some sense kind of natural consequences of that initial starting point. So one could say that one's life is characterized within the sort of the cycle of birth and death, sort of sandwiched in between are various sufferings of illness and aging.
다들 교회도 메시다리 나는 교회다 용자 디기디다 가랑 아주 사실 다음부터 야만다 가다 사실 다음에 인신이 교회도 메시.
So the second level of suffering, the suffering of change, refers to experiences which ordinarily we would identify as pleasurable experiences, because in reality, so long as we are in an unenlightened state, all our joyful states or joyful experiences are contaminated, and therefore they are ultimately suffering.
대야니 동네 사제 동네 몽구진이 거라 동네 다마 거름네 아니 대왕만 받고 싶마도 아니 양다거나 대화지 말이지. 걔도 양다거나 대화지 뭐이나 동네기 둘러 지점 때문에 대처기 동네 집에 들어왔는지 대화만 받지 강나 때는 영향이 둘러 지점 때문에 대처기 대화 집에 들어와. 누구도 가서.
The reason why Buddhism says that these supposedly pleasurable experiences are ultimately states of suffering is because, according to Buddhism, there is an understanding that we perceive them as states of pleasure, sort of experiences of pleasurable or joyful, only because in comparison to a sort of a painful experience, they tend to appear as almost like a sort of a relief. So, they are in some sense relative. Their pleasurable experience sort of status is only relative to a painful experience. Therefore, if there are truly sort of joyful states and joyful experiences, then just as the more we indulge in the sort of causes that lead to pain, the painful experiences increase. Similarly, the more we engage in the causes that give rise to these supposedly pleasurable experiences, then the pleasure or the joy should intensify, which is not the case.
In our daily life, for example, when we also have some good food, some good clothes, right? Clothes. And some kind of
ornaments.
Ornament here and here, sometimes here also. So you see, these as a short time to certain period. Oh, you really feel, oh, this is something really marvelous. Oh, very good, very good, very good. And oneself also is deeply satisfied and also show to other. But then one day pass, 1 week pass, 1 month pass, then the same object, same object. But then you may get frustration. So that's the nature, that's the fact. And also fame. At the beginning you may feel, oh, happy, oh, now I have good name. Then again, as the time goes, then sometimes you feel frustration. Dissatisfaction. And a friend. Also, I think they introduce sexual. Say, at the beginning, you almost become mad. Then I think the very the same factor eventually create hatred, fight, and worst case, killing, murder. So that's the nature. So every beautiful thing, every good thing, everything which we consider something
desirable.
If you look, you see, closely. And time goes, most of these facts eventually give us suffering. So that's the second
level.
Second level. Then the third, now the fundamental thing. Why is it why is it that kind of nature? And the answer is because all these, happen due to ignorance. So the I think the very name ignorance is not comfortable, not good. So under the influence or under the control by the ignorance, there is no possibility to some kind of permanent state, right? Permanent state of happiness. So some kind of, trouble, some kind of problem always happen. Like
so long as we remain under the power of this ignorance or fundamental misapprehension or confusion, then the sufferings come about almost like one after another, like ripples on water.
두식 동에 송대야디 두식 동에들 같이 송기에서 다 두식 동에 또 조조다 가다 거야 가서다 그래서 저 두식 동에 송대야 다디 양나 또 다음으로 또 레든 뉴몽베 샤왕도 두베 다치 다다 아니 동네 땡싱에 마음번 동네 등에 다들 신기 동네 침에 다 주칭에기 레든 뉴몽베 깨와리야 냉엘이 제수 되니 레든 뉴몽 깨야리 그게 가소리 튠비기는 중이지 드리실이야다
So the third level of suffering or dukkha is in what is known as the suffering of conditioning. And this refers to the mere fact of our unenlightened existence, which is under the influence of, under the control or influence of this fundamental state of confusion, and also the negative karmas that this confusion give rise to. And the reason why it is called the conditioning, the suffering of conditioning, is because not only is this mere state of existence serve as the basis for our many painful experiences in this life, but also it serves as a basis to create causes and conditions for future sufferings as well.
So that delay 남들이 소리하다 되다 쉽게 하지 못이야. 차이라고 삼다. 차이라고. 다 차이라고 돼. 근데서는 균지 직보되면 제 균지 직보디 땅도 잡힙니다. 뭐 이 말이. 차이라고 해서도 계시